I think the survivorship bias label is a bit overused and misunderstood. At its core, it's not really about survival, it's more about selection and visibility. It happens when we draw conclusions from the cases we can easily see, often the survivors or successes, without realizing that important information from the less visible cases is missing. A few examples. When we scroll social media, we see tons of reels with huge view counts and might think most reels do great. But this is survivorship bias because we're not thinking about all the low view reels that we're less likely to see. Another example is assuming some habits we notice in successful entrepreneurs and thinking that that causes their success. The successful entrepreneurs are more visible, but another important question is, do unsuccessful entrepreneurs have the same habits, perhaps even to a higher degree? Or when we look at remaining structures of ancient civilizations, we might think that they preferred stone over other building materials because stone structures are more likely to stand the test of time. Wood and straw don't leave the same trace, so this can cause us to overestimate how common stone was compared to other building materials. That less visible and ignored part is really the key. If what you're observing isn't shaped by a filter that depends on the outcome, so if successes and failures or survivors and non-survivors are equally likely to show up in the information you're using to draw a conclusion, then it's not survivorship bias.